Okay, so let's get started on this. What I'm using, you'll notice here, this is AutoCAD, not architecture one, but just AutoCAD, Sprayed AutoCAD 2018, whatever we have, 2016. And it has my workshop, our house design that we're working on, our dream house. So I'm just going to go over in one corner of it because the reason I'm going to do this is because it's already set up for feet and inches, and so you don't have to change that. So what I'm going to do is build a shed, and this is going to be part of our model building part of architecture. So we're going to build a little model of this. You may notice them over here by the door when you came in on the ceiling. And so we're going to lay this out and it'll look just like this, and then we'll be able to print this page out. You'll cut out your pieces from it, and you'll build your shed with the door and all that kind of stuff in it. And we'll draw the doors and windows in later, that this picture does not have yet. So first thing I'm going to do is kind of lay out the walls and get that all set up first. So I'm going to kind of come over here, over to the side a little bit. And the wall is going to be 12 feet. And then I'm going to go up 2 feet, or 2 inches, sorry, 2 inches. And then I'm going to go back over 12 feet. Make sure you use the foot mark. And that'll be the base, the bottom 2x4 of the building, okay? So then what I want to do is I'm going to do a line, and I'm going to do that 8 feet because my building's going to be 8 feet tall, okay? And then on this bottom here, I'm going to create this first little 2x4, and then I'll fix the rest of it. So I'm going to offset this 2x4 2 inches to give it its thickness, because everything's going to be drawn to scale, or actually full size, and then we'll print it down to scale. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw just a little fake line right here. And I'll show you why in just a minute. So just draw a little line across there. Then we'll pick the midpoint there and draw a little line off of it. Okay, so there's probably other ways to do this, probably a little bit faster, but this is one I like to do. It makes it easy. Then I'm going to offset it 16 inches on center. Yeah. Oops. Okay, let me go back and look at that. Just let me look at this one real quick. I may have done 24-inch centers, so I may want to change that. Yep. So for our shed, we're going to do 24 inches instead. So let me go back to this real quick. And 24-inch centers kind of save on material. And sheds don't have to worry about as much weight up above like you would on a house. So I'm going to offset 24 inches on center. Okay. Everything should match up like that. Okay. And this last one can just be probably a little bit off. So I'm going to just create. What I can do is copy this one. So I'll go copy, pick my 2 lines, hit enter, pick the bottom corner here. Actually, I'm going to pick this corner because it'll go right there. So I'm going to do copy, select these 2 lines that make up my 2x4, and I'm going to pick this one because it'll match up to exactly that one. Okay. All right. So that should. I'm just going to finish this up here. This is 12 feet, and then 2 inches, back 12 feet, okay, and then 2 inches to finish it up. Okay, then I'm going to copy these across. So I'm going to select my 2 lines, hit enter, pick a base point, and then just copy them over. That's why I made those little offsets. So let's make it every 24 inches, except for this last one's a little bit deal. So there's my one wall, okay? So then I'm going to copy these walls just like I did over here. So to make sure that they're kind of evenly spaced apart from each other. I think what I did over on this one, whoops, got things popping up here. Got lots of things popping up. Go away. Okay. So let me look at the spacing here real quick. I think I did 24 inches. Yep. So 24-inch spacing in between. So I do a 24-inch line that way. And then we'll put a 24-inch line. Oops. And this keeps everything nice and neat. And see how I have it all nice and neat over there? So that's what I want to do. So I'm going to use copy. I'm just going to select everything. I don't worry about that line being there or not being there. And I'm going to pick this endpoint right there. And then bring it over to here. And I'm going to get rid of my little spacer mark there. I don't need that one over there anyway. Okay. Oh, and I can get rid of these little spacers down there. I don't need the offset marks anymore. And I'm not going to need that. So I'm going to get rid of that. So I'm going to just copy one of these and move it up. So I'm going to copy that one. Hit the base point. Make sure your object snaps are on. If not, turn them on down here. There they are right there. Pick right there. Bring it to the top. Okay, so everything's nice and neat. And so it's all nice and neat, ready to go. Okay, so there's just your walls. Should be ready to go by the end of class. Shouldn't take you too long to draw those up, and then we'll work on placing doors and windows next time. All right, thank you very much.